Hey everybody, thought I'd make a quick video to show my off-grid Tesla charging. So I've got what I call a solar port here. It's a carport that I put solar panels on. I've got 4 panels currently. I stole 2 panels to go to my air conditioner, but I've got 4 320 watt solar panels. Right now they're producing about 1,050 watts continuous. So I've got the panels running over here to my power truck, is what I call it. It's basically a 5 kilowatt hour battery and a 3,000 watt inverter. So the solar panels go in to the inverter and charge up the battery, and they go out to this transfer switch with this generator plug. The generator plug from the transfer switch is powering a lot of loads in my house, just basically the essentials. You see A through H here. I and J are currently off because they're on GFCI breakers that aren't working, so I've got to rewire those to something different. But A and B are basically my fridges. D is my appliances in my kitchen. E is my entry lights. F powers the Tesla currently, as well as my hallway lights, my bathroom lights, and plugs and outlets. It's also powering my Wi-Fi and my TV. Let me show you this. So here is the app for the inverter coming from this wireless dongle here. We're currently producing 1,005 watts, or 1.05 kilowatts. The inverter's outputting 1.92 kilowatts, or 1,920 watts. The batteries are about 96%. You can't really see it in the app because that bar is in the way. It's kind of goofy, but so it's charging through a Tesla charger. This just kind of quickly ran. We just got our car on Monday, so it's Thursday. So we got a plug. It's just really slow charging. It gives us about 4 miles per hour. Straight from sunshine. So sun hitting solar panels, going to what I call the power truck, or my hand truck that has a battery and an inverter on it, going through my transfer switch to my main panel. This is my grid tied solar coming in, so that's totally separate. Coming out of an outlet in my garage to the Tesla charger, straight into the car. Fire Yoshi. So super slow charging, but 4 miles an hour for free from the sun. I'll totally take it. So here I wanted to show my meter. That just shows the amount of kilowatt hours that's ran through the meter. So that second number there, so 243 volts, exporting to the grid right now because the bars are tracking right to left. So I'm actually spinning my meter backwards at 4,248 watts continuous, even while I'm charging the Tesla, since it's being charged from my off-grid line. We're getting about 1,000 watts, or 1 kilowatt of continuous electricity. 12 amps at 115 volts. So here's our off-grid air conditioning, and the reason why our meter's spinning backwards right now is because we're not using our roof air conditioner. We're using our off-grid air conditioner. We've got 8 320 watt solar panels there. So those panels are sending electricity to this DC compressor, is also producing water for the dogs, which is kind of nice. Let's go in and check out so this is the indoor head unit. It's currently 70.3 degrees in the bar, coming from the off-grid air conditioning system. It's about 90 degrees outside right now, so for it to be 70 degrees inside without using the roof air conditioner, all coming from sunshine, is great. So I want to show some more details on the off-grid air conditioner. So we currently have 1.52 kilowatts, or 1,520 watts, coming from solar, running the air conditioner. It's about 68 degrees near the head unit inside. We got it set at 61 degrees. Since we've installed the air conditioner, we've used 382 kilowatt hours of electricity, fully off-grid, so that's nice. Power that we didn't have to buy from the power company. But yeah, back out here at the car, we're charging getting about 1,000 watts continuous again, or 1 kilowatt. And we've added a kilowatt hour. Thanks, Miley Cyrus. We've added a kilowatt hour since we started plugging it in maybe 30 minutes ago. But we'll be able to drive an extra 4 miles per hour at this current off-grid charging rate. I do plan on making it all bigger and being able to charge with more amps. This is all just kind of temporary off-grid stuff that I had available before I got my car. So now I need to start building a much bigger off-grid charging solution to be able to power the car fully from off-grid solar, regardless of if PG&E is working or not. Still be able to fuel up our vehicle per se, with or without the grid. Hopefully, almost always without the grid is really the end goal here. I'm just gonna have to get a lot more solar panels and a bigger inverter to be able to do that. But for now, this works pretty great. The solar port